This video is going to cover a pull-up. Now, if you can't do a pull-up or you don't want to do pull-ups, you can still work the same muscle groups with different exercises like a lat pull down and a reverse fly and a row. So when I'm doing pull-ups, I need assistance still, otherwise I'm working at a really high intensity. At the time of this recording, I can do about 4 pull-ups without any assistance. So that is definitely in the high intensity zone. So for this video, I'm using an assistance band, and this one is the most assistance. So these were a game changer for me because they made pull-ups something that I felt like I could be more successful with. So I've looped it around the top, and I'm going to step up here and put my feet in. And the Marcy machine comes with a few different hand grips. So I'm just going to do your traditional one first. You want to be sure to keep your core in tight. You're using those back muscles, not just your arms. So I'm going to change my arm grip here. This works a little bit more biceps than the last hand position. And then the last position is right in here. And this works the most biceps out of any of them. So a couple things that I have found helpful in my quest to get better at pull-ups are eccentric lower downs, which is essentially a slow lower down. I'm going to show you that. And isometric holds at various positions of the pull-up. So let's do the eccentric lower down first. These are just fun to sprinkle into your workouts. If that's your definition of fun, which it is mine. Actually, we don't need the band for this. So I'm just going to hold at the top and slowly lower down. If I can take 30 seconds for this, that's awesome. I'm going to go a little bit faster for this demonstration. Whew, that's the eccentric lower down. Now we're going to do the isometric holds. So I'm going to start at the top position, hold it for 5 seconds, the middle position, and then the bottom position. Okay, so top position, isometric hold, 5 seconds. Here we go. Now middle position, I'm trying to keep those legs straight, trying to keep my core on. This is the hardest one for me. Oh, all right. There's the pull-up. To make them easier, use more assistance. There are some gyms that have a pull-up assist machine with like a pin that you put in, and the less weight that you're pulling up, obviously, the easier it's going to be. So to progress these, I would use lighter and lighter and lighter levels of assistance, or I would just do body weight when I'm ready for that. To make them harder, obviously use less resistance. Go slower during that lower down movement. Pull-ups can be very fun. They're also very challenging. If you have any questions about them, please reach out.